Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find promo codes for Bingo Blitz. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, for this demonstration I'm going to open up my web browser, and in particular I'm going to head on over to Google. And now in Google search I'm going to type in Bingo Blitz promo codes. Once I've done that, I'm going to click on search, and then we'll be brought to a whole list of different third-party sites where you can get promo codes, etc., coupons, and that. So you can check out any one of these sites. You've even got Bingo Blitz themselves offering promo codes. Scroll down again. You got Pocket Tactics, free credit. Video Gamer, free credits. So for this demonstration, I'm going to head on over to Pocket Tactics. And as you can see here, Bingo Blitz free credits. I'm making this video in August 2024, so you can get your bingo fix with a list of Bingo Blitz free rewards. So if we scroll down here, let's have a look what they got. So here you go, here are all the Bingo Blitz free credits and rewards. So if you click on any one of these here, you can get free credits, which is essentially promo codes. So you can see they've got it, looks like daily, they're updating this. So yeah, come back to these sites daily or weekly to check out future offerings, and be mindful these codes do expire, so be sure to move on to the next code if it has expired.